feel like it's been a long time since I talked to y'all. Yes, I got in line first. It's Queen Telly, y'all. It's Friday. Today is October 21st. It's 7:29 a.m. I'm on my way to work. Casual day, dressed comfortable. Ooh, my face look kind of ashy. I just got in line for Starbucks, so I'm about to order some Starbucks. Give me 2 caramel macchiatos, one for me, one for my friend at work. So how y'all been? Y'all, it's been a minute since I did the review on this wig, and as you can see, yes, the wig is giving curls for the girls. So yes, I love the wig. Just so y'all know, I love it because I could wear it like this. I co-washed it last night and twisted it, and then when it fully dries, I can like pick it out and make it bigger. But yeah, hair so fab. Y'all check out my last video to get the review about this wig. But yeah, right now I'm at Starbucks about to order something to drink, and it's Friday, y'all. It's fuck it Friday. Fuck it Friday.
Thank you so much for Starbucks. What can I get for you today?
Can I get 2 tall, can I get 2 tall caramel macchiatos?
2 tall caramel macchiatos. So these caramel macchiatos gonna be hot, or are they gonna be iced today?
They're gonna be hot.
Okay, they're gonna be hot today. Anything else?
I think that's gonna be it.
Okay, so 10:07 will be your total today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So yeah, it's fuck it Friday. Don't let nobody fuck up your day. Don't let nobody talk no shit to you. Been so much shit going on, like just in the world in general, and like in life, it just been so much shit going on. Like my mom's birthday is next week. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna do for her birthday. Work has been busy, life has been busy, but you know, once a girl get her hair done, and she back in the game. She back in the game. But yeah, make sure y'all check out my last video, the review about this wig. Make sure y'all go like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, so what y'all think about Snore surgery? Okay, I seen Carisha, she had posted something on her Twitter or Instagram yesterday about how she snores, which a lot of women snore. I know I snore. I don't think I snore every night. I don't snore every night, but if I'm like dog ass tired, like I'm gonna snore, because I've been recorded snoring before. Like I didn't believe that I snored until I was actually recorded, and I was like, is that me sounding like a 300-pound grown ass man? But yeah, I snore. So Carisha, she's like, oh, it's so unattractive to her why she snore like that. To me, it was funny. Like, if you snore, you snore. Some people snore. Some women, you know, piss like a jet. Like, it is really nothing you can do about it. Like, I mean, it's something you can do about it. But if you snore, okay, you snore. That don't make you less attractive of a woman to me. I mean, I don't know. But she talking about getting this snore surgery. And I had never heard of that. You can get a surgery to stop your snoring? I had never heard of that. So if y'all heard of that, let me know. I'm not saying I'm gonna get it, because I highly, highly, very doubt that I'm gonna get it. If I snore, I just snore. You're gonna have to put up with it, whatever. But she said she considering getting snore surgery. I'm like, to me, it make it feel like these women is never really satisfied with nothing. Like, it's like, damn, like you snore, like okay, you snore, you gonna get surgery to stop snoring? People get surgery for everything else, their body, to change their body, their looks, their face, their teeth, like everything. Now you're gonna get surgery to stop snoring? Is it that serious? And I mean, to me, if you're really that concerned about your snoring, I would think you just go find out like why you snore, so maybe you can correct that instead of like going through surgery. I don't know, maybe that's just my opinion. Between that and then the Coach Stormy, the low vibration, high vibrational plates, is like, the internet be giving too much these days. Because baby, trust me, I'ma have me a low vibrational plate, whatever you want to call it. I don't give a damn. Thanksgiving coming up, and I'm definitely gonna have me 1 low vibrational plate, and I'm gonna take me 1 to go. So we on some low vibrations over here. And Coach Stormy, girl, You be giving low vibrations all the time, girl. You be ghetto one day and then want to be like you so high vibrational the next. Anywho, let me get my ass to work. It's 7:35 now. I made good timing for Starbucks. So yeah, I got my caramel macchiato. I love these. Like, I don't drink coffee, but I will drink a caramel macchiato when it gets like cool or like cold outside, when the weather starts changing. So since it's been cool the last couple days, this is my second caramel macchiato. So I'll probably pick back up with y'all when I get off. I'm not too sure what I'm doing today. I don't know if I'm gonna go to the store and just get something to cook, or if I'm gonna actually be going and do stuff, running errands today. I do think I'm going to the gym when I get off. So I'm at Randall's right now looking for some brownies. Now my mama done sent me to the store to get her some brownies, and I done walked all over this damn store and I don't see no brownies. Like, at this point I'm just about to get her whatever, because I already don't feel good and I wanted to go to the gym today, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to go to the gym till tomorrow because I just don't feel good. You know, your body tell you to sit down, that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm walking all over the store looking for some brownies. Oh Lord, the things we do for our parents. And if I don't bring her these brownies, if I come see her and I don't have these brownies, I ain't gonna never hear the end of it. So y'all, we in luck. I done found some brownies. But I don't know which flavor to get. And I don't want her eating this whole pack. How many in here? Oh my God, this is like so many. So I just came out of Randall's. I finally found some brownies. Let me show y'all the size I got for her. This is the size that I got for her, because if I give her the big pack of brownies, she's gonna eat it all at one time. And like, I'm not finna have her eat all those brownies at one time. And then this little pack, guess how much this little pack was? $6.99. I'm thinking I'm getting this small pack. Okay, it's probably gonna be like $3 or $4, because the other ones, the bigger packs, were like $6, $7. If I knew that, I would have just got the big pack. Boy, this inflation. I could have just went home and made her some brownies. Like, I could have just went and bought a box of brownies and made her some brownies. That's what I'm gonna do next time. That's what I should have did. But this is the size that I end up getting, y'all. Y'all see this little bitty ass pack of brownies? I mean, that's enough for her, but for the price, $6.99? $6.99 for this pack of brownies. Like, this is it. Lord, she better be lucky I love her ass. She better be lucky. So let me go drop this off, take this to her. Oh, my hair done got all over my head. Let me go take this to her, and then I'll pick back up with y'all after I leave her place. Hey guys, I'm back. It's been a long day. What time is it? It's now 7:25. I got home. I left my mom's place like around almost 4 o'clock. Got home around 4:30, and I was home for not even an hour, and I had to go run an errand for him, take him pick up his truck from the shop. So I just got back home not too long ago. And before I got home, I actually stopped at Specs to get this wine that I've been seeing on TikTok called Taylor Port. Let me get it. Oops. Where did I put it? Oh. So yeah. This is it here. Have you guys tried it yet? I'm excited. It's 18% alcohol. Y'all, this is some strong shit. I'm kind of scared, but we're gonna get into it. We're gonna drink some. He about to come home and cook. I think he making some shrimp, broccoli, potatoes. I've been eating potatoes like all week. I kid y'all not. I've had some form of potatoes every day this week. I've had mashed potatoes. I've had French fries. I've had seasoned potatoes. Now I'm about to eat potatoes again. Y'all, I gotta go to the gym in the morning. Like, I've been bad this week. Like, I've been so bad this week. Like, starting of next week is out. I'm not doing none of that next week. I've been eating bad this week. But back onto the subject what I was talking about, was Taylor port wine. So yeah, I've been seeing this on TikTok and I wanted to try it out, see how it tastes. I am a wine girl, so we're gonna test this out. I'm about to pour it. I'm about to pour it. I can get it open. Oh, there you go. Let me see what it's. It don't smell bad. Now, I don't know if this is going to be like real sweet or we just going to start off with that for now. It say drink it room temperature, but who about to drink that wine room temperature? I am not drinking no wine room temperature. 18%. It say it's a dessert wine. So it's supposed to be smooth. They say it's good to eat. I said eat. Oh my God, I'm hungry, y'all. I'm sorry. They say it's good to drink with your dessert or for an evening sip. Serve over ice. Oh, serve over ice or room temperature. I'm about to say, because I don't do no wine room temperature. So yeah, we about to sip this and see how it go. Let me move my camera down so y'all can see me. Okay, let me take my first sip. You're supposed to smell it first, whisk it around. Okay, don't smell bad. Let's take a sip. Oh, it's sweet. It's sweet. It's definitely sweet. Yeah, this is sweet. That first sip, what Martin used to do. Oh! Oh yeah. That's definitely sweet. Now I want to see if I can find a video to show y'all from TikTok. The video I seen that actually, I'll just put the camera back like this. What a dude was like, he was like sipping and he said that he's not really a big wine drinker, well, a big alcohol drinker, but he drinks wine, and that this well, everybody I've seen on TikTok that's been drinking this wine saying that it's been getting them up. I gotta make it to the gym tomorrow, so I'm gonna have to control myself. Let me see if I can find this video for y'all. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, this is the video that I seen on TikTok about the wine. Look.
So we're just gonna jump right into it. That's what we got to. Taylor port wine. Jump right into it. We're gonna see. I smell it already. Fake pull up. You know what I'm saying? And I'm at the crib by myself, just tasting wine. I'm a lane. Like, the first thing I do is stir it up. Smell the test. Yeah, that smells strong.
It do taste good though. It do taste good. It tastes really good.
Okay. Let's get it started then, okay? Another thing I kept hearing from everybody, literally, especially the lady at the liquor store, is one glass is enough. You know what I'm saying? Like, Stella Rosa, my favorite. I can drink a glass of the glass.
And I hate Stella Rosa. I hate Stella Rosa.
But everybody that say drink Taylor port, one glass is all you need, I'm going to what they're talking about. So I think I poured a pretty decent glass. So I'm going to sip on this. And I'm going to be back on here to check in with y'all. But until then, you know what I'm saying?
I only took 2 sips and I feel lit already.
We're going to see what's going on. So, believe the hype. As y'all can see. Okay, now when I get lit, my face get red. Whew. Hold on, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Believe me when I tell you. I'm gonna read the ingredients on this. Cause this ain't no wine. I'll tell you that right now. I didn't even finish my glass. I'm gonna finish it cause I ain't know, you feel me? I'm gonna finish it.
Y'all, I'm scared. I'm scared.
What's the point? Okay. Point is, they wasn't playing. I don't even know what it looked. They wasn't playing. Right?
Okay, that's it. That's all I'm gonna show y'all. But yeah, when I seen that video, I was like, oh, I gotta try this. And I only took like 3 sips, and I ain't gonna lie, things is getting a little warm around these corridors. So I'm gonna continue drinking and check back in with y'all after. I'm gonna check back in with y'all after I finish this glass. You too good for the paper plate.
Who, me?
Mm-hmm. Look good. Look so good. Hey y'all, I'm back. It is Saturday morning, October 22nd. It's 10:35 a.m. and I just got to the gym. I had a time last night, y'all. I had like 2 glasses of that Taylor port wine. Yeah, I was knocked out. I thought I was finna turn up, but that wine had other plans for me. I like it. I really like it. It was good, but it put me to sleep. Like, I slept like a baby. Like a baby. So, I'm probably gonna drink some more today, but I'm about to finish my smoothie and go into the gym. I just wanted to give y'all the update on what happened to me last night after I drank that wine and ate my food. I was up for a little while. We put on like this Nigerian movie on Netflix, and then I tried to stay up, but I was out. So I'm gonna pick back up with y'all when I come from out the gym, cause I think I'm gonna go buy Crumbl Cookies today and pick up some cookies, cause I've been wanting to try them, and he said he'll try some if I get them, cause we like tip treats. I'm really big on tip treats since they deliver and everything. I love tip treats, but I want to try Crumbl Cookies. I've been seeing everybody post them. Everybody talking about how good they is. If them motherfucking cookies nasty, I'm gonna get on y'all ass. So I'm gonna go get some of them today. So I'll pick back up with y'all in a little bit. Hey y'all, I'm back. I just got dressed. I just took me a bath, a nice hot bath, and put some clothes on so I can go do my little errands. But I'm standing here looking in the mirror, and y'all, I'm so proud of my body. Like, I've been in the gym consistently for the past, it's about to be a month now. And you know how they say, can't nobody really tell your progress on you like you can tell on you. And I can really tell the progress on my body. Like, ooh, God is good. So if y'all think about getting in the gym, it's never too late. It's never too late. I didn't fell in love with the gym, to be honest. But I am about to head out. I told you I was going by Crumbl Cookies. I'm so excited. I hope these cookies are good, because if they're not good, I'm gonna be mad. But yeah, I got on a little graphic, little crop top, and some high-waist like bell-bottom jeans, and I done puffed my hair out. Let me get the camera so y'all can see. Yeah, I done puffed my hair out, and these are my jeans, little bell-bottom ripped jeans. They cute. And a little crop top, little graphic shirt. So yeah, I'm about to head out. Don't mind the junk in the back. So I'll pick back up with y'all when I get to Crumbl Cookies, because I probably gotta stop and get gas before I get there at Kroger's. so y'all can see the full fit. This is the full outfit. Kisses. We are here at Crumbl Cookies. We are walking up. I'm about to walk in, see. Crumbl Cookies. I'm back, y'all. So I just pulled up to HEB. I am about to go in the grocery store and get some things to cook because I'm cooking tonight. I'm actually making crawfish Alfredo pasta. I'm really wanting pasta tonight. He kind of didn't want it, but he was like, well, if that's what you want to cook, I'm gonna eat it, whatever. I know you are gonna eat it, because what you gonna do? Go hungry or get your ass something to eat yourself? If I cook it, you're gonna eat it. So I'm about to go in here and get the stuff to make it. I know I need crawfish tails. I do my Alfredo sauce from scratch, so I need heavy whipping cream, Parmesan cheese, shredded noodles. I just don't know if I'm gonna do linguine noodles or if I'm gonna do fettuccine. I don't know. I'll decide. I got garlic bread at home. I got some more Taylor port at home, so I don't need no more wine. But yeah, I'm about to go to HEB right quick. I got my cookies right here. I'm ready to get home and try one of these cookies because they are big. I did not know those cookies were that big. Like, one cookie is like the size of like 3 Tiff Treat cookies. Those cookies are huge. So I'm gonna get home and try that, and then I'll pick back up with y'all when I get home from HEB. Okay, y'all, so I'm back home from HEB, from the store, and running my errands. So before I start cooking, I wanted to taste these cookies. As you guys know, I went to Crumbl Cookies and I got 6 flavors. So, well, I got the 6-pack, and because she told me like which ones was like the most popular and how they switch out flavors every week. So I just told her give me 2 of each of the popular ones and we'll just figure out the rest. So y'all can look and see. Oops. These are the ones that I've gotten. These are like s'more flavors. And then these 2 are popular too. They're like a I forgot what flavor she said they were called. I don't remember, but I just know they were popular. And then this one is a pink cookie, and then this one is just regular chocolate chip. So I think I'm gonna try this first, take a bite of that, and see how I like it. So let's get into it. Let's take a bite of this cookie and get into it. Hopefully it's good. These are huge, y'all. Like, this is a big ass cookie. I'm gonna take my glasses off. This is a big ass cookie. Like, this is like 2 Tiff Treats cookies in one. Because she said the smaller cookies that they have are only for like catering or something like that. So these are how all their cookies come. This is how big all their cookies come. Let's see. Not bad. Really soft. The cookie is really soft. Almost tastes like a cinnamon. This one is actually pretty good. I like this one. And I can't remember the flavor of what it was. Take one more bite for now. Yeah. So far, so good. That one is really good. I actually like that. I feel like I should have got 3 of those instead of 2, that flavor. Because I feel like I'm going to like that flavor the most. And the other one is for him, so yeah, I'm kind of tempted to eat the whole cookie. So far, I give it an 8 out of 10. I give it an 8 out of 10. I haven't tried the other flavors yet, but I just wanted to get a taste, just to see. The anticipation was building up, and I actually like it. I'm surprised. I thought I wasn't gonna like them. I actually like it. So yeah, 8 out of 10. I like them. So I'm not gonna eat no more because that's gonna ruin my appetite for dinner. So I'm about to get started cooking in a minute, and then I'll pick back up with y'all when I cook my food. But Crumbl Cookies, I'll be back. I'll be back, y'all. I'll be back for that flavor specifically. So if you haven't tried them yet, you should go. And I'm a hard critic, so you should go. Okay, I'll pick back up with y'all later. Hey y'all, we in Tilly's Bistro. Told y'all I'm making crawfish pasta. These are crawfish tails that I get. I'm about to let these thaw out. Y'all like that little spin I did? Tilly's Bistro. Gotta let those thaw out. My fettuccine noodles. Minced garlic. Heavy whipping cream, because we make our Alfredo sauce from scratch. Ain't that right, babe? Yeah? Babe, you know the ones that I told you that was getting abused?
Yeah.
So they said that
The 2 boys?
it's twins. It's a boy and a girl. There was twins. It wasn't 2 boys, it was a boy and a girl twin.
It's crazy they went knocking on all the people's door and nobody answered the door.
That's what they was talking about. They were saying that a lot of people were saying they were scared to answer the door because you know how nowadays people use kids to like rob. Like, so they didn't know if somebody was like using their kids to get people to open the door, like so they can come in and rob them. But
That's sad, bro.
it's so sad.
Mississippi Burning. You ever seen that movie?
Yeah, that's a slave movie. But the fact, I'm still tripping on, how was she pouring bleach on their skin? Like, they said she poured bleach on their skin and their genital area. That's some sick shit. And she had a case from Louisiana. So I think they ran from Louisiana and came to Texas.
That don't mean shit though, because Texas will extradite you.
No, but I'm saying she had a case from 2012. She already had a previous case, I think, of like child abuse or something from 2012. And was these kids going to school?
That's what I was saying. There's no way.
There's no way they could have been going to school with with the marks on them like that, and nobody like no, cause somebody would have said something. That's sad. Them kids weren't even going to school. That's terrible. So there's no way. There's no way. There's no way. Like, they need to hurry up and expedite them back here. Somebody like that deserves the death penalty. Sad story. Since I am cooking, might as well start drinking. He think I should wait to drink till I eat, but go, 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 go. Just a little bit for now. Bye for now.
Really?
Woo! It be that first sip. Why not? What'd I do? Let me show y'all my crawfish tails cooking. They are cooking. Turn them down to like medium low. Let them cook for like 15-20 minutes. Alright, y'all, this is the finished product. It's very low vibrational. Very low vibrations against wood. It's gonna be high vibrations in my stomach. Crawfish pasta.